Hello, driving intelligence community. I stumbled across a video talking about how you can restore old automotive batteries, batteries that no longer have the performance required to start the vehicle. I was skeptical about it, but since I had a battery from my Mustang, I thought, let's try this out. So I took off the caps, which they say are not maintainable, but actually are. And when I looked down inside, the water level was too low. So those elements of the battery that should be covered in water were actually exposed in some of these. And so the procedure, which I'll leave you to go and find us in another location, but basically speaking, if you use your start function on your charger, here it says 100 amp engine start. The place I saw said 200 amp, but I'm finding that this is working. 200 amp engine start for 15 minutes, let it cool down for an hour, and do this 5 times, making sure that the water level is at the appropriate level inside the battery, and you will restore your battery. This is my second cycle of 15 minutes with the 100 amp engine start, and as soon as this 42 seconds is over, I'll show you. But what's amazing is that this battery was only showing 10 volts when I started. Even after charging it and showing that I was 100% charged with this battery charger, when I disconnected the charger, it immediately dropped to 10 volts. So in just a few seconds, I'll show you what's happening with the battery performance. It's absolutely amazing to me. We're just counting down, and I'm going to turn off this engine start as soon as we get to 0. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, 13 volts. Now it's dropping down quickly, but it was nowhere near that when I initially started this. Like I said, it was about 10 volts. So I'm going to continue to let it go through its 15-minute cycle. You can see how some of these cells are starting to boil. They're showing some boiling. There, that one. This cell is so dead that it's not boiling at all. And they said it takes all 5 of these cycles to restore the battery. I actually have a marine battery, and those things are horribly expensive. I'm going to try this process with the marine battery as well.